Yep. Dirt Crew, make sure you guys subscribe. Thanks, bro.
Thanks,
like,
man.
subscribe, comment, share, whatever you got to do.
Good morning, Dirt Crew. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today is going to be fantastic. We are starting off at a crispy 4:28 a.m. on a beautiful Saturday morning. And we are going to be taking a trip to Lubbock, Texas, which is about three and a half hours away. And we are going to be purchasing something very special. Or shall I say John. John's buying a new toy. And we're going to take you guys with us. It's going to be a very fun trip. And I will see you guys when John gets here.
What's going on, guys? It's 5 a.m. sharp in the morning. I just picked up Dylan. We're headed down to Lubbock, Texas. Get me a new toy. Kylan and them are taking a different route. They're going from Artesia to Lubbock. We're leaving from Carlsbad, so we're gonna meet them there at the dealership. But yeah, we'll see you guys there, or if anything interesting happens on the road trip. See you in a while. All right, guys, we just made it to Family Power Sports in Lubbock. Check it out.
At the jet ski section. How you feeling, Bill?
Oh, didn't sleep last night because we had to come so early, but I feel good to be here, that's for sure. We're in good enough shape to make bad financial decisions, that's for sure.
Question is, how are you feeling? You're the one that's buying today.
I'm feeling great. I think I'm looking at my jet ski right now.
Red and white one?
I think so.
Oh, he's pretty.
Oh,
You
yeah.
excited?
Extremely.
There ain't nothing there.
Save weight. You can get a speaker that goes right here, and you can buy a cubby that goes right there.
Dude, this thing just looks like a sports toy,
You
bro.
stand on those and you just pick it straight up.
Oh, yeah.
How we doing today?
Pretty good. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing good.
I think this is mine.
This club?
Yes, sir.
It sure is.
Oh, yeah.
Why do you need a lock button? What's gonna lock? How do you not burn your leg? Look how.
It's the coolest bike ever, bro.
Look at the old school heat shielding that they have on this.
They definitely burnt their legs, dude.
Yeah, no
Look
doubt.
what they're wearing. It's like straight leather.
Oh, a little shaky. Oh, I won't touch him.
Dude, that is so cool. Oh, I would kill to have something like this. Just like, they have to have like some kind of like gangster collab with KTM.
Dude.
There's a lot of KTM stuff in here. Look at that. You got 2 pipes.
Huh. I recognize those. I wonder where from.
5? So
Oh, dude, check it
that's
out.
not bad.
Corbin's new bike.
You know, as much as I love Corbin, he's still gonna find a way to get hurt on this. Like stub his toe or break a finger or something. He'll figure it out.
Wreck into a park
He's
service
gonna go
truck.
to like pick it up and put it in the truck, and his finger gets caught, and just he'll break his finger. That's our Corbin.
Well, Kyle finally showed up in his true fashion. Late. Howdy, partner.
Howdy, howdy.
Hold up.
You GoProing?
Boom, boom, boom.
I think I'd rather have this one anyways than the other one.
Dang, this thing is awesome.
Oh yeah, I like this one a lot more. So how you feeling? Just purchased a jet ski, dude.
Yes, sir. I'm feeling great. Got the papers right here. Signed my life away.
Yep.
I'm forever in debt.
More debt. Love
Help me.
debt. We love debt.
Help me. All right, guys. It's a done deal. I bought it. Signed the papers. We're about to hook it up. Try to get down to Carlsbad and rip it on the water.
She's good to go. About to get her set up to the truck. I think it would be. I thought it'd be like 200,000-300,000.
They're buying.
Shut up.
They're buying.
They're buying it. They're buying it. They're getting that Texas Lone Star.
His mom. We just pulled up to town. Made it back to Carlsbad. Just pulled up to the beach. Dropped the brand new jet ski in the water and go check it out. You ready, John?
I'm ready.
It's go time. It's go time. Looking good. Oh, it's about to touch water. Oh my goodness. It's in the water. Those are the first 2 subscribers to our channel right there.
What?
I said those are the first 2 subscribers to our YouTube channel right there.
Oh my god.
It's, yeah, yeah, have fun, dude. It's frozen, big dog. Oh, baby. Feels like it wants to teeter-totter a lot or what?
Yeah, like that. Y'all want to have fun? Go buy a damn jet ski. Make
Yeah,
sure you
I
go
know.
to Family Power Sports. Love it.
Yeah, dude.
Dude, the agility of this thing, you can spin it around, like you can manipulate it. It's so
Yeah,
light.
yeah, I think I know how well the agility works. What happened, Dale? What happened?
Get me off.
What happened?
It turns really sharp.
Oh my gosh. I got thrown off pretty good.
Skill issue.
First,
Yeah, you know that, like, not hit full throttle thing?
yeah, you did it a couple times.
No.
For sure.
No.
Yeah.
No, I was about to say that I'm abiding by it.
No, you definitely aren't.
Yeah, I am.
Why are you smiling? Oh.
I'm totally abiding by the braking.
Totally.
Put my car in the picture.
What's up, guys? It's
Right
day
now.
3 of our days off. Hello.
We just rolled up to McNew.
Is Holly coming out here with the Grego? Yeah, here a little bit. Tell her to... The Nissan Sentra GTA 5 edition.
This is an unreleased version of the car.
Look at this, dude. The damn cooler's worth more than the car.
No, wrong. The helmet is. I bet you can't guess how many miles this has before you look.
I'm gonna say 150.
150? Let me see the camera.
All right, you got 3 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3.
That's right. Everybody was wrong. Don't even got 50,000 miles yet.
She works like a dream. I forgot the dang bike was running. Machine you got here?
Got a Can-Am,
Okay, what is it?
Defender, Lone
A
Star.
Lone Star, just like the truck, huh?
Yep. No, my truck's not a Lone Star. It's a Longhorn.
A Longhorn. Oh, that's what it is. Same thing, close enough. Still
Close.
bougie.
Ollie hooked us up and she don't even know it.
So you got a 4-door, huh? Look at all that room back
all
there.
that room. More room than we had in our...
Nice, pretty seats. You got the the brown and black stitching. Ooh, pretty, pretty. How many speakers it got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dang. Brand new 2024 Can-Am Defender Lone Star Edition.
HD10.
HD10.
That's a little light bar they put on there.
Oh, nice. You did get a light bar.
Yeah.
Got a nice winch. Do you know the towing capacity?
Look at that.
Oh, yeah. Show me the speakers real quick.
Just got the phone. I don't know if hers is still charged.
Look at that. 3915 tires. Look at that tow hitch. And these, as you know, these tailgates lift up like that for a dump. It's a dump tailgate. 6 speakers, JL audio. It's got LEDs. Look at that. You want happy mama, huh?
Yep.
Congrats, Mr. Jean.
Thank you, thank you.
Almost saved it. Yeah.
Woo!
The GoPro got that.
What's up, guys? It's day 4 of days off, I guess, if you want to call it. We're heading out to Brantley Lake. We got all the units loaded up. I'm gonna hit up Walmart, get some burgers, get some brats. We're gonna barbecue out there. I'm gonna pick up Dylan, and we're gonna be on the way. Yeah, guys, we'll see you out there.
You want to explain what happened to the drone?
No, not really. Why you gotta bring it up? I
Well,
just started having fun again. Yeah.
Well, I mean,
Way to buzzkill it, dude.
Yeah, no shit.
see what had happened
Long
was.
story short, there's a $1,000 drone about 15 feet behind me. We have no idea where it's at.
Riding the jet ski, or us riding the jet ski. Oh! I missed it! I missed it, but I got my reaction.
That was fucking cool. That was a good one.
Oh! Oh, not me, not me. Oh, I just turned. Oh.
Hey, get it started. Comment water, that was good.
Got some brats, got some cheeseburgers cooking up. You hungry, buddy?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Just poking it with a stick? Yeah, it smells horrible. It sure does look majestic though. Oh!
What is that?
H2S? Jesus.
Oh,
Oh, it stinks so bad. Oh. Why is it warm? Why does the water look like that? It's loaded with chemicals. You see how it bleaches the rocks? Oh my God. Why do they douse it in chemicals before coming to Brantley?
Water treatment. Cool water.
Disgusting. That thing's gonna smell like poop forever now. Hey,
All over, brother.
do it again.
Fuck. Okay.
Okay. Oh! got poo-poo on me.
That smells disgusting.
Oh my.
Look at my boobs. My shirt. I just went to adjust my shirt. Just.
Oh my God.
Just goes into a hole. Yeah.
Didn't break nothing. Sweet. I blew out my chancla, dude. No. Dang. It's totaled. No. Oh, man. Darn it. Oh, well. There you go. Turn, turn.
That ain't gonna happen.
Dun, 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 dun.